The Lord detests dishonest scales, but accurate weights find favor with him. Proverbs 11. Every human being by birth is concealed inside of their heart a weighing machine or a scale. That is why when we are seeing other people, we are measuring them in our heart. That is not a mistake. When we are analyzing other people or studying other people is not a mistake. But when we are showing partiality, when we are using dishonest scales or wrong weights, God hates that. Suppose we are forgiving the mistakes of our parents, brothers and sisters and our children. But when we are finding some mistakes, same mistakes, doing by a fellow brother in church, we are keeping a distance from them. We cannot maintain a fellowship with them more. God says it is not good. Your first part is clear. You forgave your relatives. The same way machine use for church members also and for others also. Then you can find favor with God. One of the main purpose of 10 commandments is that we need to understand that we are not capable to follow as per God's standards, but we can do one thing: we can forgive others in their mistakes. If we do so, we can find mercy and kindness from God as a reward.